Ladies and gents, YouTube, you just cut your locks off, you just cut your braids off, and you sitting in that barber chair thinking, you know what, it's 2026 and I gotta get wavy. This is the video you need to watch. I'm about to show you all the tools, all the necessities that you need to get waves if you don't know how to get them. This is the video you need to watch, so stay tuned. All right, now y'all might have seen my old videos or previous videos, and I have a video titled why you shouldn't get pomade. I don't know exactly what the title is, but it's something along the lines of that. And it basically just goes into detail of why I prefer more organic products more than anything, and why I personally don't use pomades, but I will recommend well, not recommend, but you know, a little suggestion, you know, like get a pomade, get a Murray's pomade or whatever works for your hair. Just go to your local store. They should have these in Walmart, Target, but Murray's pomade, Murray's pomade. Just because as a beginner, your hair is not trained. So like my hair, I could just cut it all off, and my hair is well trained and getting waves back, so I can get it back with ease. Like I got a whole YouTube short little compilation or whatever, series, whatever you want to call it, of me getting waves in like a month. I would definitely recommend starting with the pomade. Figure out which one works best for your hair. I know they got 360 style, Sport and Wave, and this one is probably the most known three that I know. Now this right here is probably the most important thing you want to grab. This is a medium brush. This is a medium Diane brush. I got this off Amazon like in 2019. I still got it. You can see that the bristles are missing like in some areas, but I still use this brush to this day. This is probably the most useful brush you will have in your inventory. So you're gonna have a hard brush, a medium brush, and a soft brush. My hard brush is right here. I barely use this brush. Well, I shouldn't say I don't use the brush. I use it when I'm woofing, which I'm currently doing right now, so I do use it. But this is the brush I'm using on a daily. No matter what, this is the brush I'm gonna use every single day. Make this the first. If this is the only thing you can grab at the time, make it a medium brush. No matter if it costs $1, if it costs $2, just make sure it's a medium brush. Now the third thing you wanna have is of course the silky. You wanna have a do-rag. You can find these damn near anywhere, but again, I shop on Amazon for everything. I get like 40 of these off Amazon, and I'll throw most of them away because you know they like one-time wear for me. No, I'm just playing. I don't got it like that. I definitely throw them in the washer, you know, get a little wash session in with them. But yeah, grab you some do-rags. No matter what color they are, you can have green, camouflage, purple. It don't matter what color it is. Whatever color you like. I only rock purple black do-rags, but you know I got camouflage ones too. But that's only for like washing. When I wash my hair, I only use my colorful ones. But then when I'm outside, I definitely throw on the black. As a grown man, you can't be outside. This ain't 2000 and, you know what I'm saying, 17 no more. You definitely not coming outside in what they used to have like tie-dye do-rags and stuff like that. Now, I don't know if y'all noticed, but I had tapered my own hair. You know what? I think I was too hard on myself. Like, you think it looked decent? Like it don't look too bad, but like it's not the worst. It's gonna grow back, but like you feel me? It's not bad. Maybe it is. Maybe I'm just like, I want to accept that I didn't really fuck up too bad, but I did in reality. Probably the three most important things you need is a medium brush, a do-rag, and a pomade. Now we ran through most of the products and not products, but the things that you need in order to get 360 waves as a beginner, which is a medium brush, a do-rag, and a pomade. But like what becomes optional once you get locked in, you want to get your leave-in conditioners. Whoa. black castor oil. Again, these are optional once you get locked in for real, but you don't need them at the beginning. The only thing you need is a medium brush. You need a do-rag. You need the medium brush to get the waves. You need the do-rag to keep your progress, to lock in the progress and make sure that nothing gets erased. You know, it's like a memory card for a game. That's basically the do-rag's job. And then the pomade. That's what's gonna keep your hair laid down. So again, as a beginner, you need your hair laid down because you gotta wait till your hair curls up, and then with the brush, you set the curls down. The pomade keeps it laid down. The do-rag locks it in and saves the progress. So those are the three things you need, three main ingredients you need to get 360 waves. So now that you got that information, I want you to take that and apply it. You just cut the locks off. You just cut the braids off. Get wavy. Get the waves. Lock in. 2026 is we still got a lot of time left. And by Jan, man, in a month y'all be out here looking right. Just start now, and then we can start uploading videos and, you know what I'm saying, track our progress together. You know what I'm saying? So make sure y'all grab y'all medium brush, grab your do-rag. Let's go. We're gonna keep making videos. I'm gonna hit y'all with more content. Be back, and like, comment, subscribe, and share. And I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one.